Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good, right? I made a quick stir-fried rice and I thought to share. Keep watching if you want to learn how to do it as well. Okay, here I used chicken breasts. All right, I cut it into tiny chunks. Then I'll marinate with dark soy sauce and oyster sauce, and after which I'll set it aside for 30 minutes to enable the marinade into the chicken. As always, thank you for stopping by. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, kindly do well to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also turn on your notification bell for more. Thank you. While the chicken was resting, we quickly scrambled 3 eggs. You can scramble more if you want. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. After scrambling the eggs, I removed it and set it aside, and it's time to fry the chicken breast. For this procedure, I use sesame oil, and after adding the sesame oil, I introduce the chicken. I will stir fry it until it's brown. I'll be adding ginger and garlic paste at this moment. Okay, I'll fry it into the chicken. Then you introduce onions, stir fry together again. Everything here is going to be very quick. Like I said, it's a stir-fried rice, right? You fry into the oil. Bear in mind that vegetables are not supposed to fry for a very long time. Please bear in mind that if you're cooking with oyster sauce and dark soy sauce, all right, you should be careful with the quantity of salt you'll be giving to the food. If you've watched up until this time and you've not subscribed, why? Please do subscribe, okay? Thank you. Here I'll be adding the rice. If you have overnight rice, is best, but if you don't, you can parboil your rice same day. After adding the rice, I'll be adding oyster sauce and dark soy sauce. The rice is coming together and I'll stir to combine, all right? And then reintroduce the scrambled egg that we kept earlier. Please, at this time, make sure you're stirring on a high heat, all right? Now you stir for 2 to 3 minutes and it's ready. At this moment, I'll finish it up with spring onions for that highlighted green. All right, let me know your thoughts in the section and if you'll be trying it. Stir together to combine and the food is ready. You can pair with any protein of choice. This is one of the ways I make a very quick fix for my kids to take to school, and they will always love it. They love it and I love it too. Thank you for watching, and I do hope you will try it. All right, I love you till I meet you again in my next one. Do have a pleasant day.